Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase online privacy with DuckDuckGo step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to www.duckduckgo.com. Once the home page loads, you will see the search bar in the center. To start using DuckDuckGo, simply type in your desired search term and hit enter. Observe how DuckDuckGo presents results without tracking your queries. To enhance your online privacy further, click on the menu icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access various privacy options. In the Settings menu, you will find an option for Privacy Settings. Here, you can enable Do Not Track requests to websites. You can also manage your search settings, adjusting how results are displayed. Consider enabling search suggestions for more efficient searching while still maintaining privacy. If you frequently use multiple devices, install the DuckDuckGo browser extension. Visit the DuckDuckGo homepage and navigate to their extension download page. Choose the appropriate extension for your browser and follow the installation prompts. After installation, customize the extension settings to suit your preferences. Ensure that you enable smart encryption to force secure connections whenever possible. Take advantage of the bang feature by using exclamation points before your searches. For example, typing W followed by your query will search Wikipedia directly. Regularly clear your browsing history and cookies to maintain privacy. Consider using DuckDuckGo's mobile app for searching on the go. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Set the app as your default search engine for enhanced privacy on your mobile device. Finally, make it a habit to review your privacy settings periodically to stay updated. This approach will help you browse the web safely while using DuckDuckGo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.